Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH as we're heading into the weekend. Just a quick update because nothing happened really. Stuck below that point of control that we highlighted. Just can't get above it. It stopped at an interesting point here, interesting price point here, because this was not only the 50% retracement level of the wave 1, basically the first target of the wave 2. It was also the 61.8 Fibonacci extension of this first move to the upside here. No, 1 second. I just need to select the right template. Yeah, the 61.8 extension. So we had a bit of an overlap there. 1638, 1637, and the point of control as well, basically in that area there. So lots of resistance here. That's also probably one of the reasons why it got stuck there. Just too much pressure. Well, just too much selling pressure there, right? Just couldn't get above. And yeah, I mean, I'm very interested in how this is now going to unfold over the weekend, because it is just that kind of structure that likes to morph, to transform. We already had an ABC structure in the beginning. It might have morphed into a WXY. It could still turn back into an ABC. But that is not so important. All we need to focus on is that key resistance level. All eyes really need to be on that $1,700 level. If the price breaks above that level, and probably it's not going to happen on the weekend, right? But maybe next week. So if the price breaks above that level, then we have to consider something much more bullish, a more direct bullish breakout. So getting above that level first will be a first signal that we need to consider something more bullish, but then breaking above the end of August high, which is here at 1746, will be much more interesting and even a better signal that something more bullish is unfolding here. At the moment, again, I consider that just as a corrective structure. If it's forming 5 waves and we break above resistance, there's no reason to FOMO. It would be the first wave. Yeah, if we talk about bullish, yeah, potentially an impulse, and then we can wait for the ABC pullback in a wave 2 to confirm. And that would also be at the same time a decent trade setup. Yeah, so for example, what we need to see is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5 above resistance, and then you will get the ABC pullback. And when that is holding, then we can travel towards $2,500, $3,000 next. But we're not there yet. At the moment, it's just consolidating below resistance in a corrective fashion, shows some weakness, yeah. And we have 2 small micro support levels. We've got here again the 1613 level, yeah, which was support before several times. And we've got the X wave low, which is here at 1582. So that's also going to be support. These are 2 support levels. Taking each of them out will add the probabilities, or will increase probabilities for a more direct path to the downside. That wave 2 is already finished. But my view is maybe, but it's very early, it's too early to really confirm, but maybe this B wave bottomed already and we are going to see price slowly moving higher over the weekend in wave C. But I think it's going to be very, very slow. Bear in mind, it takes a lot of effort to get above this Fibonacci confluence there and the point of control. And there's typically just not enough volume on the weekend. So it's probably going to be another sideways oriented weekend. Anyway, we're here. We're going to focus on it, but there is not much more to add. The only thing that I might change here on the chart is we're going to move the trend lines, because what could happen, Bitcoin seems to be doing that, could maybe form some kind of a parallel trend channel here. Yeah, more or less. So we can watch for that potentially. Yeah, but that's my update about ETH. Not very exciting at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to the weekly live streams. On Sunday, we have the next one, 5 p.m. UTC. So we are going to cover always an educational topic, and we cover some chart requests. And also you get access to Discord and Telegram. And as a gold member, you get access to additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.